In this video, we are going to learn how you can create scroll-stopping poster design using Adobe Express. Completely online and super easy. Let's say you are running a weekend sale. Instead of using boring design, let's make something eye-catching in just few minutes. Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek aka Design Subway, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Now first search for adobe.com/express and click on the first link and just click here, get Adobe Express for free. And now you need to log in, make sure you're logged in, and then click on templates, and here you can search for different niche. So I will search for like face wash sale, and you'll see hundreds of designs that are ready to use, but we'll not do that. We'll go for a generic, so you can out of your niche also create some unique posters. So I'll just search sale on, and here are so many designs, so you can also filter them out. There are so many filters. I like this. This is for a fashion brand. We are going to use it for our face wash company. So just click on it, click on customize template, and now we don't need this model, so just let's delete this, and just now let's upload our product image. So this is our product image. Simply click on remove background. Now you can see here is some problem. Just click on erase and click on restore and just add this, and there you go. It's so simple, so easy. Just click once and it will add in your selection. Just click on done, and that's it. Just let's make it a little smaller. Let's rotate it a little bit, maybe like this. Now we have different layers. Just drag it down. I think this looks nice, maybe a little up. Now you can hold Alt to duplicate this and just rotate it like maybe this, make it a little smaller, and maybe put it right here. Again duplicate it and maybe rotate this, and I guess this is looking nice. We can do it one more time to make it maybe a little more smaller, and this one. Okay, yeah, so I think this is looking nice. You can change some text, like I want to add my website name. Just changing that. I only want like 30% off, and you can change like 2029 to 2025, and that's it, and it's ready to go for your ads. Also you have this option called Resize. Click on this and you have custom option. You can put your custom ratios. Also you have like social media ads option. Here you'll see so many different formats, and this design will automatically to that specific ratio. So we have like Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads, TikTok, YouTube, like every platform you can think of. Also you can share this design directly with your team. Just click on the share button and you can add their email address, or you can just copy this link and share it with your team directly from here. Also you can download this in high quality. The best image quality is PNG, so you can download it, or you can also schedule this as a social media post. And that's it, a clean, powerful poster ready to promote your sales online. If this was helpful, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.